Hey, are you someone who is looking to start a small jewelry business or someone who loves to do DIY activity? Then this video is for you. Hello guys, I'm Varsha Chandani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make jewelry earrings using polymer clay. It's very simple. You have to give desired shape to your clay and then you have to bake it in oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I will explain you step by step, so let's get started.
So we are using this polymer clay, and with this we will need wire hooks and few more things to connect the earrings. This is how the clay looks, and for cutting the clay I am using this tool. You can also cut it with the help of a knife. Now I am taking the red color first, and first we will give it a desired shape. So I am rolling it with my hands, and now I will turn it to make it look like a rainbow shape. We'll cut it. We'll do the same process for other colors. Now I will use yellow color and then red again. So once the desired shape is done, you have to make a hole in the earring where you have to connect it, so you don't have to do the hustle after baking it. Because after baking the clay it becomes a bit harder. Now we will put it in the microwave and we have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. Also don't forget to check in between. After 40 minutes I took this out and it's ready, so I'm just adding the loops. So our polymer clay earrings are ready. Do let me know if you love these earrings. Also, if you want me to create more such earrings, let me know in the below comment section. I will make a new video creating a new set of earrings. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.